Hello guys, I am back, the sweet channel Toby, with making the second part to making a shirt on Roblox. Now, it's definitely, I ran out of time in the last video, so I'm going to finish explaining how to create your shirt. So hopefully you kept going and clicked on this video to see the ending. So basically, let me get back to what I was explaining. So you're going to want to use if you're using Canva, or any other thing, make sure you find a way to cover up all of the fold areas with whatever color you want. So I used a shape to cover up the sleeves that I wanted, as you can see on my model. And then this black box is going to be for the transparency. So I'm going to cover any other folding areas for the shirt with this black box. Actually, I'm going to choose a more distinctive color than black. So let's try pink. Or wait, no. I'm working with purple, so that wouldn't be smart. Let's try blue. There, it's very distinctive. So you're going to want to cover up whatever you want the transparency to be, and you'll find out later why you need to do this. Okay, so it looks a little messy, but trust me, when it folds on, it's going to look perfect on your Roblox character. Okay, so now we're going to go over one of the last steps to creating your shirt. You've almost reached victory, and you have your whole plan set out. If you want transparency, basically what that means is when you put the shirt on your Roblox character, it's going to be, the part where your your actual arms are supposed to show, it's going to be transparent, and it shows your Roblox character skin. However, if I didn't make this transparent, and I left the part where the arm goes all blue like this, then the shirt would have this blue arm in it. So you want it to be transparent, or in rare cases you don't, but you want this to be transparent so that they can see your arm and whatever the transparency is meant to show. Right? So basically how you're going to do that is I found another image editor. Let's create a new tab. Let's go to free online image editor. That's what it's called. I have it bookmarked, and you're gonna click free online image editor, and it's gonna look like this with the little bluebird. You're gonna I forgot a major important step. All right. Anyway, backtrack. Go back to Canva. If you get there, you're gonna click download, and you're gonna click PNG because you need that for the transparency, and you're gonna click download. Sorry, I got a little ahead of myself. Alright, wait for it. Might take some time. And now you have it on your bottom bar. And so you're going to go to your image editor. You could just easily drag it into the file and click upload. You don't even need to sign up for an account for this either, so it's perfect. Okay, so here we are with our template. Make sure you don't resize it at all. And so if you're using this version, you could use any transparency editor you want for this too. It doesn't have to be this one. You're going to click wizards up in this top bar. You're going to click transparency. Now you're going to click your area that you distinguish from all the other areas to make the part transparent. Okay, so there we go. And now after we do that, alright, so now we're going to go to this top corner right here and click Save once you have your transparency applied. And save image locally to your computer. And it's going to show up as this weird name, OIE Transparent. And so basically you're just going to easily just right click this, click Show in Folder. It's going to bring up a little window of your saved files. It's going to show you highlighted where it is, and you're just going to easily right click this, click rename, name it whatever you want. I'll probably name it shirt practice finished. Okay, because this is our finished product. And you're going to click enter and drag this into a place where you want. So maybe I want to drag this into my PC. Well, it is in this PC, so that's perfect. Right now, just X that out. You don't need that anymore. Now you're going to want to go to, here, I'll show you the process over again. Go to the Create up in the tab, then go to Shirts. Then now you can actually click Choose File, and you're going to search up shirt practice. I don't know where it went. Okay, anyway, easier way is you're just going to drag the file that you saved right here. Right here. There we go. Alright, and you're going to name it whatever you want right off the bat. So maybe I want to name it my name shirt. There we go. You're going to click Upload. Alright. Now, this is going to... Mine didn't work for some strange reason. It's been doing this glitch all the time. But yours will work because you are doing it differently currently. So it's just a glitch in the way I did it. So when you did it, it should basically say uploaded if it was or in like it might be like turned green or something to show you that it worked. If it actually uploaded correctly, which mine didn't for some strange reason, which I'll have to try and figure that out and get back to you guys on it. It was a glitch. Maybe I have too many shirts or something, which I don't think is possible. But anyway, so if it did happen to you, hopefully I'll make a video on explaining why, but not sure why it happened now. Kind of messed up the video. But so it shouldn't have happened to you. But when you go and try and wear the shirt, it may not have been approved yet by Roblox, so you can't wear it yet. But as soon as give it some time, and then you could revisit it, try and wear the shirt, and it's going to be perfect. And I bet you made a perfect shirt, and it's going to look great on your character. And I hope this helped you a lot. I hope it was really worth the 20 minutes. But it was a pleasure doing this video because I know I had a lot of trouble when I was trying to, make my first shirt. But it's definitely fun once you get the hang of it. So, yeah, I'm glad you guys were watching, and see you in our next video. Have a great day.